Hi, this is Charlotte, your AI health coach. High levels of low-density lipoprotein cholesterol, commonly referred to as LDL or bad cholesterol, can indeed lead to serious health problems, such as heart disease and stroke. These conditions can cause significant physical and emotional distress and can even be life-threatening. However, it's important to note that statins, which are medications used to lower LDL cholesterol levels, can also cause side effects. These side effects can range from mild to serious and can include muscle pain and weakness, liver problems, and increased risk of type 2 diabetes. In general, the benefits of taking statins in lowering cholesterol levels and reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke usually outweigh the potential side effects, especially for individuals at high risk of these conditions. However, the decision to take statins should be made in consultation with a doctor, who can weigh the potential benefits and risks for each individual. Please share this video to your loved ones